Okay, here we are with Elvin Tech.
Hey!
Even though he doesn't have a channel, we call him Elvin Tech. And this elevator is, believe is low on hydraulic fuel today.
Coming up as an intro.
Okay, let's go to 1. Door close button does not work. That's why I hate shinglers. Okay, let's listen to the motor. It's slow. Certificate?
It's hot in here.
It's warm, not hot.
No, it is hot. I'm sweating already.
There's a fan that they don't use.
Fan?
Yes, the alarm and push to call. And a call cancel button that does not work. Here we're at 1, going for its level, and we go back to 3, and we'll end the tour. Right, Elvin Tech?
Yeah.
So you guys, this is a death trap. Serious? No, we're going to 3 again.
Okay.
And there we will end our tour. Okay, center that we go. Yo, look at those doors. There's the inner lock, and there it goes. This is the motor. Quiet.
I'm expecting us to the 10.
Here goes the death trap.
It smells in the air. Yeah! Oh my god, why do you have to leave me into this
Too
stuff?
late. We're going to 2 now.
Okay.
See who does it in the middle. Okay, and there we end the tour. Not on 1. Sorry, guys. Okay. Get the cab. Nothing much. There's a basic Schindler elevator capacity of 3,500.
We can jump it out. I don't add a weight.
Nancy faculty management, and we'll go back to 3. No, we'll just give this elevator a rest. It's some security. Okay, and we're back. Let's go down. Okay, let's go to the death trap again. Ha, wrong side. Cool, what the heck was that? I'm getting out of this thing. No, just kidding, I'm going back in. Oh, it re-leveled, that's what it is. Okay, door closed. Guys, this is a death trap completely. There it goes, slow and steady. Push the button, go on.
This paper's so old.
Huh?
Oh, there we are.
Beep! Beep!
Son of a bitch.
Hey, no swearing on my channel. Okay, here we are.
Okay.
And we're waiting for its level. There it goes, and we're going to 3!
Again?
Yeah, I love the death trap.
I thought we already created a video.
Okay, let's go, let's do it. Let's do a video. Say this is how you do it. If you press this, it skips the floor. See what it does. And no, it doesn't work. Myth confirmed. The elevator hack does not work. So now we'll legitimately go to 3 and go down the escalator / MPE.
MP?
Yeah,
What's that?
that's a nickname for upstairs. Okay. See guys, death trap indeed. Okay. The stores, there's the inner lock, you don't stand between. The inner lock. Sensor works. Try one more time. Okay, there's the sensor, and that's it. How did you like that elevator?
Great.
Okay, let's hear the ding. Only this thing. Okay, and that's it. There it goes, and look, you see the camera's wrecked out. And that's it for the elevator, and now we're gonna go to the escalators. Wow. Okay, here we are at the mall. Very cool. Ooh, I think there's something wrong with this TV.
Doesn't work.
Oh yeah. This here is actually a phone charging station. I turned it on. So okay, see. Let's close it. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. I should see that. Oh, okay, press the button. Actually works. We'll keep it on. Okay, let's go this way. Look at all this furniture, guys. Look what's over here. Is that the elevator machine room?
Oh my god!
What's over here? Ellen, go in there.
No, I'm not. This is so fun.
Okay, fine, let's go. We're filming escalators.
Huh?
We're filming escalators. What's over here? Just a private door. Not machine room.
So good.
Yeah, bye, Elvin. Have fun. So you guys, I don't edit my videos.
Huh? What?
Never mind. It's a weird chair. Face review.
Hello! So what floor are we going to?
We're going to the main elevators, not the escalator. I'm just joking.
God.
What? This is the elevator, guys. Well, if you want to go to 2 and go to 1, use the elevator, so that's fine with me. But you have to go the elevator back up. Oops, wrong way. There goes the walk to the other side. Sorry for the shaky footage. It's iPhone 6 and Plus. I have an iPhone 4 for recording. This is the certificate for this escalator. And let's go down. Okay, let's listen to the motor. Elvin, please don't do that. Let's enjoy the almost there. Is that like the one or arrow? Oh, there it goes. It's a Schindler flash cone. Okay. No, not going down again. Oh, wrong way. Oh well. Which was the mall? There's the mall. Y'all go back up. That's the tech.
I want to go this way.
Here's the star. Limited time offer. Jeans for only $40. Okay. Well, that's an escalator element. It's Forever 21. Nobody says 21 anymore. Guys, so. Here's some stuff. Hello. Oh yeah, they're doing some new lighting right here, guys. You see adding lighting right here? Let's go up or down.
Do you want to have a race?
Yeah, elevator race.
Wait, which way do we go down?
Go to 1. When I go down, go to 1 and hold the door open. No, elevator, come up here. We're doing a drive here using these elevators. Would you come first? Let's get back, Elvin. I'm waiting for the elevator. It's taking forever. My gosh, hurry up. Finally! Okay, now you use the elevator and go to 1. No, wait for it to come. When I go down, press the up button and go down. Yeah, set it down to 1 and wait. It's going to open up again. Never mind. Here at 1. About to slow elevator. Oh my gosh, this is slow. Always be patient with the old elevator. There we go. You cheated. Use an MPE.
And now it came down.
Alright, we'll go back to the elevator then. Let's go to 3 as normal. There's every elevator. Hi guys. Let's go this is
We ran into the door and the elevator.
Oh, elevator
I because if you'd gone on, it was all shut.
Oh gosh. And then you gotta show me on.
So stop
That's
that.
gonna-
2. Your close button does not work as usual for Shinglers. There it goes. Here at 3, we'll go to the what they call the Massey's elevators. Yeah, let's go. Has a wide roofing. Oh, that's why the elevator wasn't working. It's out of service.
Yeah.
Prove me. I didn't know it was out of service. Okay. Yes, we can.
Mama, can you go back?
We're going to the Massey's elevators. Yeah. I'll start the video again when we get there. Right here in the Massey's elevators, we want to take the view. Look at the view. Wow. This one fell. Okay, let's go back. And there's some kind of symbol back here. In the yang yang. Yeah, let's go back. And press. These are Shinglers. Oh, they changed it. They changed the buttons. Okay, let's go to P1 as in C. I bet they reprogrammed it. Nope.
This is faster than usual.
Hey. Never mind.
What's the certificate? It's not here.
Oh, hell no.
That was fast.
Okay, let's switch elevators right now. This is P1. That was at 2, and we're ready to go.
I need to go back after, right?
Ding. Okay, let's go back up. Let's just see. Here it comes. You're at 3-1. Oh. Oh, level 3. Let's see if this one's pre-programmed. And then yes, let's see if it says 2.5.
It's reprogrammed.
What's that?
No, they changed it to P3.
No, I still didn't change it to 1.5.
But then you programmed the lower levels.
Okay, go to the other elevator, okay? You're on race. So you stay here. Go to 2 and go back up. No. Wait, go down, press 3. When it starts going down, press 3, okay? Can we do the trash right? Come up here, okay? Come back up. Oh. Okay, so we'll wait for him to go. Oh, the other one's right here. So I just have to wait. Get out. I was holding this elevator. Okay, are you ready? Oh, go in the elevator and press C. Ready? Go. Here, press C. Oh my. Press P2. P2. Okay. See, put him away. Is it coming? lot of people go to. Okay, now go to C. Go to C.
No, I can't.
Go to C.
There's a person
Hurry
in
up,
there.
hurry up. Go to C. Just go to C.
No, I can't.
Fine.
It's going to 1. I can't do it. I got
Oh, there goes the nudge mode. Ding, 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 ding,
What's
ding,
that?
ding, ding,
What
ding.
happened?
It's nudge mode. Ding, 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 ding. Don't you just love that tone, guys? There he goes. Did you not like the nudge mode?
What's the nudge mode?
Oh, it tells people to hurry up. Stay in the elevator. Stay in the elevator. Okay, that one's that one. Okay, so we'll go to press all the freaking buttons. Oh, 2 points.
P1's not reacting.
I pressed all the buttons. I didn't have to stop everywhere.
Wait, do the one out.
Bye, Omen. Okay. And that's it for this elevator.
We have to go up. What? Mom's gonna get worse.
Go to the P2!
We're inside the building. We're saying.
Elevators. Ow. Okay.
Let's go back to mommy.
Oh, there it goes up and press both buttons. But we're gonna get this one. See, I was correct. Edison Tech is always correct. P2 South Garage. This is the elevator of Robbins. Let's go to 1. Almost press that's a bad location for the phone. And yeah. Once you click P3, fine, let's press all the buttons. Of course you pressed it twice. Press all the buttons again.
Just one button's broken.
Ha, one button's broken. You're so unlucky. No lemons. See the elevator?
Going to 1. Whoa.
See, couldn't see anything though.
Okay, nobody's selected the button yet.
No lower. Okay, let's go. Oh, we won. Okay, then that's it. So here the escalators are my favorite escalators since they are the newest addition to the mall. And there's an elevator at the back. Perfect, I can just do this. See guys, this is the elevator day. Happy Labor Day and we're having a hurricane. None of us care and none of the people in the mall care either.
Nobody's screaming like heck.
Yeah, this is like not a big hurricane, just like the clouds are here. Okay, we'll go back down.
It's a big thunderstorm.
See, if you do this, do spin circles. Let's go down. Beautiful starlight. Here's the parking garage, but you can't see it. It's really tall. Do you have floor to? Yeah. Focus here.
It's very famous, people.
You guys. Here goes the thing. And going to the elevators in the back. Here are the newest elevators at Province Place Mall. Hopefully it's not out of order. Others have been reprogrammed to P1, P2, P3. Next LED screen. Here's the elevator. It usually parks somewhere, but not today. Shingler, these are all black.
Hey, what happened to this team?
You put glass over it. Go to 2.
Why
Oh,
is black?
Don't touch it.
Why?
See, these are there's new doors.
Oh, this.
See, this was the day when they finished. Camera focus. Sorry, guys.
Oh, now it's focusing.
Let's go back to 1. Oh, they have no lighting right here. Ding.
You want to try the bell?
See, guys, this is don't ring the bell.
No.
This is the phone.
Just click on one.
Don't. Then they'll catch us. See guys, Ellen's not an elevator expert. He knows nothing.
I'm gamer expert, not elevator.
Okay, I've seen the floor between us, so we'll see if we'll back to 2 and we'll end the tour. Bing! Let's go close, go close. Okay.
Why does nobody ever take the
Let's see
elevator?
between the floors. Oh my, you can.
Let's kiss the elevator.
Yeah, that's gross.
No, I didn't.
Alright, yeah, you can't see between the elevator. Let me see what the angle there is. Alright, see guys, this is elevator number 1.
Let's take the escalator.
So that's where we're at the tour.
Wait, what's the escalator?
Okay. So you see guys?
Somebody put cheeses on here.
That's rude. See, Shinga's always a floor ahead of itself. Okay, capacity, and that's it. We're on the tour.
Let's go to Apple Store.
Colonel, we're going to the Nordstrom's elevator now.